Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your Corsair headphones with your laptop. So we got few methods. In the box you can find the jack headphone cable, the jack cable, the USB-A and the USB-C port. So that's the two wired methods, but also we can do this wireless with this adapter, and that's the way that I'm gonna use in this video. So on your PC or laptop you have to find this USB-A port, and in my case it's located on the right side. So I'm gonna plug it right now. And next, on the headphones we have to turn this button to the wireless connection. And right now, as you can see, the headphones lights up. Also, this adapter lights up. So all we have to do right now, we can check for the first this headphone settings. So open the sound settings. And here, as you can see, it's automatically detected. So we are right now connected. You don't have to go to the Bluetooth and use the Bluetooth connection. When you plug this adapter, you will be already connected. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it.